How to download and install the Shein app. Hey everyone, want to shop the latest fashion? In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Shein app in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Shein and press search. Again, make sure you choose the official Shein app published by Roadgate Business Private Limited. Look for the same black icon with Shein. Click on the Get and if needed, verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. Once the app is installed, just tap Open and start exploring Shein latest collection. And that's it, super easy, right? Once you have installed the app, don't forget to sign up to get amazing discount for first time users. Also enable notification to get updates on sales, deals and new arrivals. Who doesn't love a good deal, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.